Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be trying to do the Hitman Challenge. I see this challenge done a lot on different games, specifically PUBG. And basically, if you do not know what the Hitman Challenge is, you got to use a pistol and a pistol only and a suppressor. In this case, I'm not using the suppressor because we can all agree that the Blacksquad suppressor is fucking trash.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
I'm not using it. But, I'm gonna try to have fun with this shit, and hopefully my fists don't end up through my screen because the pistols are annoying as fuck in this game. Son of a bitch! And I know I'm gonna be raging a lot. I'm gonna try not to though. I'm gonna try to have some fun, see how many kills I can get in a game with nothing but the pistol only. This shit is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. So let's get into it.
My daughter gonna love this bitch here. All my damage.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
Enemies planted C4.
Oh shit, it's here. Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit, whole fucking team. What? I got this guy. Hit him with a quick tag reload. So. Sniper, bitch. This shit is a whole lot fucking harder than what it seems, man. I'm about to just give up. Fuck it.